Look at that. That is a single 3-minute exposure, not stretched. Welcome back, guys, to another night of deep sky astrophotography with this setup right here. Tonight we're going to image some emission nebulae. Don't know exactly which one yet. I'm getting back from work at 11 o'clock, and at that time all of the major nebula targets in the Milky Way are high enough to start imaging. Can't wait for this night. It's going to be awesome. I haven't used this setup at the house since before we left to go to Florida, so it just hasn't been clear here lately, and tonight is going to be one of the few clear nights here in the next week, so I'm going to put this setup to use once again. I'm thinking about the Lagoon Nebula, so we might do that. But let's get on to it. My name's Trevor, and you're watching AstroPilot. So hello everybody, I'm at the airport. I'm flying this morning. It's about 6:15 in the morning right now. Just come out to the airport to work on my instrument training, taking another instrument flight lesson today in 5089er Golf here in Bowling Green. Right over there is the plane I used to fly, and this is the newer one that I'm using for my instrument training. So we're gonna go out and do some ILS approaches this morning, come back, and tonight it's going to be clear, and I'm going to shoot some deep sky objects hopefully tonight. So I'm going to get in here, do some instrument flight training, and get on up off the ground and fly. This is a 1979 Cessna 172 November model, here at the flight school in Bowling Green, Flywell Aviation. We have the 1976 172M over there, and this is the 1979N. A little newer, a little faster, a little more power, a little better equipped for instrument flight. What instrument flight is, IFR, it's flying solely relying on your instrument panel, so simulating being in clouds. I wear these view limiting foggles to do instrument approaches to a designated minimum altitude. Then you land. So it's all about technical stuff and flying on the instrument panel. So that's what I'm working on now, flying wise. I know I haven't done anything flying related on this channel yet, so this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and waiting for my flight instructor to get here. But I'm gonna go ahead and pre-flight the aircraft and get going, and I'll see you back this evening at the house. So the plan for tonight is to shoot some sort of emission nebula, whether it be the Wizard Nebula or the Satyr region or the Lagoon Nebula. I'm thinking I might do the Lagoon Nebula. That's one of my favorite targets, summertime targets out there. It's such a beautiful nebula target. Perfect fit for this William Optic Zenithstar 61 with a DSLR. It is quite hot out here now. It's basically summertime, so that means more noise with the DSLR, but that can all be fixed in Photoshop. But I'm going to leave some links in the description for some of the gear I use here, so check those links out, and it'll take you right to this scope right here and some of the other equipment. So tonight I will be using PhD2 guiding for my guiding as software, and APT using the laptop for my imaging session. But should be a good night of astrophotography. I will see you guys when I get back from work at 11 o'clock. So let's fast forward about 6 hours right now. So I'm back from work. I have polar lined my mount. I've started my guiding, and I'm doing some test shots on the Great Hercules globular cluster. I've wanted to shoot this again ever since I shot it the first time. It's a super awesome target, just a really fascinating type of target as well, a globular cluster. I just want to get a couple shots on it, see what I can do with it. I'm guiding right now, and I'm shooting 3-minute subs on it, so really cool target. It's a ball of stars, 500,000 stars located thousands, 20,000 light years away. So very impressive target. So I'll let you guys see this real quick, and then I'm waiting for the Lagoon Nebula to get high enough to shoot. It's about 11:30 right now, and it's almost high enough to start shooting. So we're almost ready to start doing some shots on the Lagoon Nebula. There is the Hercules globular cluster. Look at that. Really awesome target. That big ball of stars. 3-minute exposure is pretty good. So I'd like to get a few minutes at least on this target and see what I can do with it. So really cool target. So I'm just going to keep shooting on this for a little bit, and then I'm going to switch over to the Lagoon Nebula. So my guiding, there's the guide graph, running about 1.7 total error, pretty normal. Dithering. So yeah, all's well. I'll get back with you guys when I start shooting the Lagoon Nebula. Alright guys, so I'm up and running on the Lagoon Nebula, taking 3-minute exposures at ISO 800. Here it is. Look at that. That is a single 3-minute exposure, not stretched. Look at that. That is awesome. This has always been my favorite summertime target. Such a beautiful nebula. I'll do an auto stretch here. Look at that auto stretch. All the nebulosity through there. Awesome. Cannot wait to see the finished image of this. I would like to get over 3 hours on this tonight. So I can definitely tell it's warmer temperatures here. It's pretty noisy image, but so yeah guys, this is what I love about summertime astrophotography. These large emission nebula, just like the Lagoon Nebula, sitting out here looking at the Milky Way in a Bortle class 4 sky. The Lagoon Nebula. Can't wait to see the final image of this. My guiding's going well, about the same at about a 1.7 error. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot until about 4 o'clock and take darks, bias, and flats and see what happens. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Don't forget to check those links out in the description for the gear I use. And as always, thank you guys for watching this channel. We're over 700 subscribers now, and really thank you guys a lot for all the views and comments. Hopefully I'll be able to get a great picture of the Lagoon Nebula. Probably my favorite summertime target for the Milky Way season. So I'm going to shoot the rest of the night, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And as always, thank you for watching Astro Pilot. And until next time, clear skies.